Hey guys, we'll again be back into this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. And this video is simple. I'm going to show you how to declare some little few variables in our CMD using node.js. Remember, just like we print the hello world using the console application, you can still use actually the console still to print for you or to define for some variable. Guys, I'm not going to waste a lot of time. Let us just try to see how you can do that once now. Now to declare a variable, I told you guys to just start by typing in node, so that you can be in the platform whereby you'll be printing or doing your program. Now this platform is what known as RLPL, something like that, RPL. That this platform, I mean here, typing node and getting that's what we call in node programming as RPL for programming in. That implies already now in position to print out a program. Now I can start by saying if you type 10 or 5, press 5, it will definitely give you 5. This is just like Ruby on Rail or what known as Python. So if you type maybe y, if you just type y is not defined, or you didn't define y as a variable. That implies if you want to use y, you'll type y, which is actually your variable, if it is going to be holding integer, maybe y is equal to 5. Whereby now in this time, if I happen again to call for y, it will give me 5. Now let me give another example. If I happen to give you x, I said if you just type x as x, it will be undefined reference error. So I have to say maybe x is equal to maybe having maybe 2. And if I say maybe z or something like maybe z, if I say z is equal to having actually y plus x, it will give me 7. Now I can simply tell the program to console for me actually console.log, whereby I would like it now in this case to give me actually z, which I happen to be defining. Now get me here in this simple program I'm trying to do. If you just happen to say 5, it will give you 5. And if you happen to define a variable of y equals to 5, it will give you 5, and to hold that 5 in the memory of the y. The same applies to x. If you do so, it will also hold for that within the memory of the program. And if you happen to say now x or z is equal to y plus x, it will give you 7. The same applies if you say console z, console.log z, it will still give us 7. Why? Because it has already kept actually it has kept actually 7, which is equal to actually y plus z x, to be the one responsible for our z. So guys, that's why we can simply print some little information or doing simple little math in your with the node.js. So guys, that's how it is. Don't forget, please actually to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Please support OSP by you actually subscribing in. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have done so, and please don't forget to comment down below on my channel. Please, I know we need a lot we are going to be actually covering. We still have a lot that we are lacking, but I request you guys just be patient and actually let us move on the same form, and I request you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.